Toys R Us?
Toys R Us we got it from, and so this is the box. And so this is our present. We are unboxing this, and so we don't know what's inside. It has dolls in here, and so here's the house, and so
Can you show what's inside?
yeah.
So let's open it.
Yeah. Let's open it.
Ish got this as a birthday present
Yeah, we got it.
for a 4th birthday,
Yeah, we got it.
and from Toys R Us.
Yeah, we got it from Toys R Us.
And what is it? Can you just put it up? Yay! And that's a Barbie Dreamtopia. What's that? It's Mega Constructs. What does it say? 6 fabulous rooms. It's a candy castle. Huh? So we are unboxing this
Yeah.
birthday gift. Can you just show what's inside?
Yeah.
Yay! What's that? Can you show me? Okay, so I can see. Okay, I think these are the house pieces. Okay, then I can see pieces. And what's this? There are again many small things.
Yeah, you can make a giant one. More? There's more. Ooh.
Okay, so I can see more castle pieces.
These are the backyard things.
And still more pieces. And still some more pieces. That's a lot of work to do. And what do we see here? Okay, that's a Barbie Dreamtopia book. It will tell us how to build the castle step by step. Okay, so it will show us how to build it step by step.
Ooh, I know.
Oh my god, that's a lot of workish. Wow. Wow.
Okay, we're doing it.
So can you show me what else is inside?
Oh,
What's that? Okay, still more pieces. Okay.
these are the.
What else?
Oh,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, can you put that aside? Is there anything else inside? Oh my god. Still more things? Can you show me? Okay, so we have these.
cool.
These are the accessories of the house. And we have the big blocks. And what is this?
There's something else.
Again, these are the big blocks. And these are the small ones which will go in the castle. So what is there? Okay, I can see more big blocks. Can you show it the other way around? Can you show the other way around? Okay. So what else? And these are small accessories that will go on top of the castle, I think. And then what else is there? Start. Oh my god, show me. Okay, so we have these 4 Barbie dolls. Wow, how cute are these? How cute are they? Yeah?
To me?
And just look at their shiny dresses. One is a mermaid. What are their names?
This is Chelsea, this is Skipper, this is Barbie, and I don't know which is the mermaid. I don't know which one.
That's a mermaid?
Yeah.
We saw that mermaid episode as well. There was a mermaid as well. Yeah?
Yeah.
And she hid herself. She came as a girl and she played with them, and then at the end they all came to know that she's a mermaid. Remember? Okay guys, so we have all these things to build the castle, and I don't know how much time it is going to take because this one says it's 526 pieces. And we are going to build the castle, and while building we'll make another video. So
Subscribe to our channel and
Ish Toy Stories and
you can get more
and
toys.
press the notify button so that when we do the building video you can come to know.
Yeah.
And we are going to do that pretty soon.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.